Hey gang, Poppy here. This is virus update for May 1st. I asked my wife how she feels, and she says, okay. She's totally non-committal either way, so, she isn't complaining her arm hurts. My arm, it don't hurt. Uh, I'm not growing horns, and none of my appendages has fallen off. So if you're worried that Junior's going to fall off if you get the injection, don't. That's one last thing you have to worry about. Now, get vaccinated. It can save your life. Masking for a while is going to be necessary. I recommend gloves because you can still get sort of, they call it denatured, it's half dead germs from touching something that someone who's sick touched. They got gloves. And of course, there's keep strangers away. Don't be afraid to say, hey, get away from me, you filthy piece of S. Coughing and sneezing. You've been vaccinated? You're not wearing a mask? Take your walking stick and re-educate that person. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go for now. Good night from California. Stay safe. Mask. Distance. Vaccinate. Good night.